Hey, what's up, lovely people? You guys are the bee's knees, just first and foremost. There's been more action on this channel in the last couple of months than the last 5 years, with everyone helping each other out, answering each other's questions. That was something I tried to build from the beginning, where we could use the comment section, both here on YouTube and then Facebook, to answer each other's questions. I try to do the best I can answering stuff, but a lot of you know more than I do as well. So thank you so much for kind of corresponding in the comments and helping each other. But in this video, I want to talk about a Close AM Lincoln cent from 1992 that if you find one of these in your pocket change, it can be worth a ton of money. Now, there are ones like last year that sold for over 21 grand, but normally these ones are going to show up in your change pretty beat up, but are still worth hundreds of dollars, even a couple grand for one of these coins. If you're confused already and you're like, what is a Close AM penny? You can either watch my other video called Wide AM Close AM Pennies, which talks all about them, and really kind of learn stuff from there, or you can watch this video and we'll discuss a little bit more about what this coin is, why it is so valuable, and what to look for. Anywho, we're on the way to 100,000 subscribers like I originally wanted for the channel forever ago, and then life got in the way. But thank you guys so much for continuing to share and subscribe to the channel. Once I get this silver play button, if it happens, I'm going to melt that sucker down, I'm going to cut it up, and I'm going to send every one of you a piece of it so then you can trade it in. Hopefully YouTube's not playing around, it's actual silver, but we're going to find out, aren't we? Anyway, let's get to this video on this Close AM 1992 penny. So like I said, I absolutely love Close and Wide AM coins in general. This 1992 Close AM Reverse is a really great coin that you can find in your pocket change or coin roll hunting. On the reverse of this 1992 penny, the right foot of the A and the left foot of the M in America touch one another, and this is known as a Close AM. So if you're interested in this error for Close and Wide AMs on Lincoln cents, then check out my video that talks all about them. I'll put a link in the description box below. Now this error came about because in the 1990s and early 2000s, the mint used different dies for producing coins for circulation, and proof coins for collectors. Now, due to a mix-up, a proof die was used for the reverse of this coin before it was supposed to be used starting in 1993. It's likely that an entire run of these coins went out, so 250,000 pennies were minted this way. So this makes this coin much easier to find in relation to something like the 1969 double die coins that I talked about in a different video. Now, the estimated value of one of these coins in pretty good condition can be worth around $20,000, and last year at auction, one sold for $21,000 and was covered in an article in Coin World. Even a beat up copy of one of these can sell for around $2,000 or $3,000, so these coins have crazy value to them, and it's a ridiculously high value for a 1992 Lincoln penny. Let me know what you think about Close and Wide AM Lincoln cents in the comments below, and more importantly, let me know what you've come across in your coin and banknote searches lately in the comments as well. I love hearing about that. I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.